Okay, I'm gonna try this. We're recording the very first rivet chisel to see how truly awful it is. This is a 1/2-inch cold chisel. I don't know. It was $5 at Menards, which was cheaper than buying an angle grinder. I thought about buying the angle grinder, which was on sale for $30, and like using it today and returning it. But I figured $5 and a whole bunch of elbow grease beats out feeling like a scumbag at the end of the day. So, all right. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be awful. 17,000 more to go.
Yay!
Our angle grinder scam sounded better every minute. So, I am 5.5 rivets in, and my... Don't go too fast, it'll go blurry. I don't know if you can see the tip of that. So I guess that's $1 a rivet if we want to keep buying chisels at $5. But either way, like the 6th rivet, it's just being like smushed around a little bit. It's not really doing anything. So I guess we will have to wait for the angle grinder. So unless this is the one the guy gave me, and I told him what I was doing with it. Maybe he didn't know what I was talking about, but yeah, it's dumb. So maybe not chisel, unless you have a super chisel made for rivets.
Also says to wear safety goggles.
I was thinking that too when we were like hammering and stuff. We should really have eye protection on and being a great role model for my child. So wear eye protection. Anyway, so once I get these off, probably tomorrow I guess, I will reveal what's under this panel. I don't know if I want to see it, but it's got to be done. The end.
You're not gonna say what you're gonna do now?
Huh?
I'm not gonna say what you're gonna do now.
I have no idea what to do now because this.
Why don't you just get the rest of the carpet up? I got this crack up.
It's nasty and it smells like farts.
Do you want the bus to get?
Okay. This stuff on the floor seriously smells like old musty farts. What are you filming right now?
You.
It looks like you're filming my butt.
No, it's like your top of your head's cut off. Sorry. There.
Okay, because it's like, anyway, the stuff that's under, there was carpet in here, and then some more carpet, and then this like, anyway, it smells like old stale farts. Jared's been getting a lot of flack for our bus smelling bad. It wasn't him, so I apologize.
Thank you.
It wasn't me either before. I don't really want to peel it up. It's sticky.
I don't want the bus to continue smelling like that.
I wonder if we can return this and be like,
We took it out of the package and it was kind of bad.
no, I wouldn't lie. I would just say, I was told that that's what this was for, and it's derpy. Oh my god.
What's it made out of?
It's made out of metal, but this is made out of metal also.
all the audio out.
Oh! and then I drop it. We'll just cut that.